today we are going to see how to make this support from this wheel support assembly. For that, first we are going to draw this sketch. Let's start it. Select plane and then sketch option. Take this line and make the same sketch. Let's give dimension to it using constraint option. All dimensions are given in figure. I am using same, and this to this distance is 40 and this to this distance is also 40. Now the chamfer is given in between these two lines of radius 6.25. Sorry, 6.25. Now exit to workbench and just select pad command. Given length is 40, so again I am taking 40, and now we have to make one circle here and two circle here. So select this plane, select this surface, then go on sketch option, then take circle command, make one circle of diameter 10 and take constraint option. The given distance is this 15 and this distance is, wait a second, this to this distance is 20. Now it's fully constrained because it's showing green color. Then exit to workbench and pocket command. Dimensions is okay now. And then take preview and then okay. After that, select this surface, go on sketch option, then make two circles, first and here is this second. Let's take constraint option. The diameter of circle is given as 5 and this also as 5. Then distance between these two circle is 20 and distance between this to this line is 10, but the distance between this point to this is 15 and this to this is again 10. Say it's green in color, so it's fully constrained now. Then exit to workbench and take pad command and then preview and okay. This is how we have completed our support sketch from wheel support assembly. Thank you so much.